John. How are you doing?
Hi, David. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well. We're discussing the making the ugly beautiful content block. And of course, this is ugly variability, that is. Um,
Yeah.
and, and this is this is at the heart of what data scientists do. This is the heart of our job, really.
Yeah.
Uh,
So yeah, really. So when I look at this, what I see is the core information is around feature engineering, that we do in, as data scientists or people who build machine learning models. You really have the data, but sometimes you have to ask yourself, for instance, the age or height of children, you view it and it's like it's bimodal. Maybe it's because sex,
yeah.
could be, part of it that, if you are male, maybe you are taller or something. So that could be accounting for the, the
Absolutely. And
seemingly bimodal sort of.
I mean,
So yes.
you're absolutely right. And there's a whole huge set of tools around feature engineering, as you put it. But broadly, this is where machine learning, in my mind, comes into its own. That you can suddenly you can do more than you could possibly dream of if you didn't have so much data. And the way you can sort of do feature engineering to sort of explain some of this additional variability. And let's come back for a second to sort of really the essence of this, is the fact that, well, whenever we analyze data, we will always have these three types. We'll have the good variability, which is, the stuff we've understood with our work. We'll have the bad variability, which isn't bad. It's just we can't do anything about it. It's unavoidable. It's natural. And then, our role is to try and sort of minimize what's in between, the stuff where we could do something about it and we haven't yet. And this is sort of, this is the nature of what we try to do as data scientists. We try to understand this variability, which could be understood but hasn't been. And
Yeah.
and it's sort of, as you say, there's a lot of good tools out there, and this course hasn't gone into them. This isn't what this course is about, unfortunately. I'd love to do an advanced course where we can actually dig into these tools and actually discuss the details of them. But there's just too many different things we could be looking at. Once you get bigger data sets, each data set is different, and you might want different tools. But the principle is always the same. In everything we're doing, whatever we're trying to do, we're trying to understand that variability which hasn't been understood but could be.
Yeah. So yeah, it's important to keep these three in mind, really. And the one to worry about is the one that you could do something about and something hasn't been done. So yes, it's.
For the people who are coming again from the millet game, the whole point of a simulation is this is the only case where you can actually get that variability to nothing. You can get rid of the ugly variability because it's a simulation. You can explain all of it. If you understood it correctly, you've got, all of that variability is understandable. And that's where, I find this such a powerful concept to be thinking about. In the real world, you can never do that. But, with simulations, we can actually we turn this into a sort of problem which has a right answer, where you can remove all of the ugly variability, by understanding it as part of your good variability or as a sort of structure on your bad variability. I'm touching on another module here. Never mind.
Yes. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, thanks. Now this is another good one. So I hope people are sort of gaining from this and finding it interesting.